welcome back. It's Saturday morning. It's cold. It's been -degrees tonight, so everything is frozen up outside. And the plan for today is to wash it, because we are going to give this chassis a lick of paint. It's gonna be nice and solid black for as long as it lasts. But no sandblasting, no nothing, just a lick of paint. Okay, this might just be a clip destroyed in seconds. We'll see. Okay, I never had one of these. It's one of those foam thingies. So let's see how it works. Let's try to see if we can clean it. Okay, so it's been drying. I think this is really nice and clean. Looks really dry. Yeah, there's no fat to talk about, or oil or grease. That looks... Oh, it's actually shiny paint. It's like a square centimeter. I'm really eager and also nervous to get started on the engine. Time is running out. See, we have sunshine. That means it's really soon July. And we're missing engine, we're missing body, and we're missing the flatbed. Okay, it's Saturday, and I have my son to help me again. Wonderful. The towing hook is going to be replaced with a newer, modern one in a different place. So I actually had a professional truck mechanic out here this week, and he said a lot of positive stuff. We concluded that we need to change the brake salvo and also the main brake cylinder. Yeah, because then we get all these couplings also changed. But that was about it. So yeah, Vidar is going to disassemble the whole rear. okay. It's painted, lick of paint. The result is really, really nice. I love it. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. There is spots that hasn't got any new paint, but I'll leave that to you to find it. And I actually managed to get more paint on the thing that I was supposed to paint than on the floor and all that, as I usually do. So I'm happy with it. Looks nice. It's black. It looks clean.